Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, basically I have just reached finally basically I've reached the cash out limit and a money making app that I do use, and I'm gonna share with you guys the cash out limit and basically show you guys how I cash out. If you're new to my channel guys, basically what I do here, I share with you guys I earn online personally and how I invest both actively and passively. So if you're interested in video like that, go ahead and just click the subscribe button and also that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get straight into the video guys. So the app that I use is called Zap Survey. So I start using this app this year, but it took me a while to basically collect my earnings so I'm able to cash out. But I'm there right now so as you guys can see right here, the cash out limit is $25. I do have $25 available. So I'm gonna take out some PayPal money. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna click the PayPal button and I'm gonna click cash out $25. I'm gonna go ahead and put my PayPal email address and I'm gonna confirm it. So let me put it here. After I have finished putting my email um for my PayPal address, I'm gonna go ahead and click the request my $25 payment. And but what they're gonna do, they're basically gonna send me a code. So as you can see here, I just get the code. So I'm just gonna put in the code right now. So after I have put in the code, I'm just gonna press done and I'm gonna click verify the email. So yeah, so that's basically all it's done. I do have one more cash out for you guys. So guys, I was basically able to cash out the $25. So as you can see on my screen here, so it's a $25 PayPal money. So basically they say congratulations, you are awesome and you have successfully cashed out. So the method was PayPal and the time duration, basically the time to process is going to take 2 to 3 business days, and that's my email address right there. We have a surprise for you, so I'm just gonna click the surprise and see what it is. So that's basically they gave me a $2. So basically what they say is you just receive a new beginning bonus of $2. So basically that's good. So basically they say you can earn the Zap app and rate rather you can rate it. Sorry, you can rate the Zap survey app, or you can go ahead and just keep earning. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna keep earning. So yes, okay, so basically they have dropped the cash out limit. So this is what many survey app does, as I talked about this before, and different money making apps, not really survey app but different money making apps, sometimes they will set their payout margin very high, and then once you cash out they will lower your payout threshold, and sometimes they will set it very low, and then once you cash out they will set it very high. So this one was basically they set it very high, and then when you cash out they set it very low. So I only need $10 now to cash out, which is just more than half of the time duration, and also the earnings slash in half. So that's really great. I will be cashing out a bit faster just because of this slash in payout minimum. So yes guys, so the next cash out that I want to do is called Freecash. So guys, I don't know what happened with Idol TV or Lou TV, but they're not earning as fast as they were earning before. So yeah, so because of that, I've just been earning very slowly on my money making apps when it comes to earning, where whether it be from Lou TV or idle TV. So you guys will realize that I've been cashing out cents, and this is the reason. So today I'm gonna cash out some Litecoin again. I think Litecoin is done on the day, so that's really good. So I have 62 cents. I'm gonna take out 50 cents right here. That's the minimum cash out, and that's what I'm gonna take out right here. I still have um the Givey apps that I'm working on to cash out. So yes guys, so as soon as I am able to cash out those, I will show you. So guys, what I want to say is that, as you can see, was successful. So what I want to say is that when I go back into this survey, so this survey is basically paying me $25 US, right? And I've already done the cash out. I've already done the cash out. So I'm gonna go to cash out. So you can see I have already done the cash out. So when I receive this payment in my PayPal money, I will be sharing with you guys, and I also will be investing that money into a stock. So I'm not gonna reveal the stock that I'm gonna be invested in. I've been investing in it for a while now. So what happened is it's going down on the market, and it's a stock that I see in the future that will make great gains. So if you guys have a clue what I'm with stock I'm talking about, it's really down. It's really getting wrecked right now. But guys, I know in the future this stock will be like, I'm glad I pick you up. I'm glad I bought this stock. So yeah, comment down below and let me know. I'm not gonna share in this video. Maybe I share it in another video. But comment down below and let me know if you guys know the stock that I'm talking about. Also guys, to the videos that are playing in the background, to the products that I use, I will be leaving a link to the products that I use and the price that I pay for it, the price, the exact product and the price. And also it's just a link to my Amazon store, so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested in the stuff I use in the background. So yes guys, so guys, this is basically the video for today. Before I go guys, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.